na to, they want to serve God. Ang problema, they could not imagine to speak to someone na hindi na nakikita. In their love for God, they thought of something to represent God. Anong dahilan? They love God. Kanya lang sabi ni Lord, you shall not make for yourself an idol or any likeness of what is in heaven, above, or on the earth beneath, or in the water under the earth. You shall not worship them or serve them. For I, the Lord your God, am a jealous God, visiting the iniquity of the fathers on the children, on the third and fourth generations of those who hate me. Though their mind and their motivation is because of their love for God, they are the people who hate me. If we worship idols, we worship creations of God, we put God into us an corruptible being, galit ka kay God. I don't care if you say you love God. Galit ka kay God. Yun ang sinasabi niya rito. Maliwanag ba? And bakit naman jealous? Di ba pag sinabi mong jealous, napaka-negative nun. No, iba ito. Ito yung jealousy na, because I knew that I am the supreme God, I cannot afford to let my love, the one I love, to be with someone inferior.